How to use Loom, quick and easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with Loom. So let's get into it. Now, Loom is a simple way that you can communicate with your team and use video recording, and they have multiple use cases such as for team alignment, sales, education, marketing, and design. And they allow you to record your screen and your camera simultaneously. You can share the video link to other people in your team, and you can also keep the conversation going by using other kinds of reactions and other interactive features for your team to communicate with each other. Plus, they also have business features and specific resources for you to get started with. So, to get started with Loom, all you have to do is go onto loom.com and click on Get Loom for free on the top right over here. Once you click on Get Loom for free, you can sign up simply by using your Google account, Slack, Apple, or SSO, or you can even choose to get started with email. Now I will just continue with Google just to simplify my setup process, and I will just click on I agree over here. And once you have agreed to the terms of service, you can get started with Loom. Now, you're going to choose what is the purpose of using Loom for you. So let's say for me, I want to do personal project or maybe for work, depending on what kind of work you have. So let's say I want it for work and I want it for marketing uses. So after that, I'm going to click on continue. Once you've entered that, you're going to enter the workspace name. And once you have entered your workspace name, usually it would be your business name. You can actually invite your teammates before you get started, but we're just going to continue on ahead. Now, after that, you have two features. So you have a Chrome extension and a desktop app. And you can click on download application and download it for your specific workspace or for your specific device. So you're just going to download that. Then you also have the workspace on Loom. So what Loom allows you to do is that you can create videos not only simply of yourself, but you can also create videos of your screen and share them with other people. Now you can see over here, if I go into my home, this will be the basic setup. This is currently an empty workspace. Then I have my library, and if the library is currently empty. So for this, I can click on record a loom to begin by creating a loom. And this will be the videos that I will be recording using my camera and my microphone. I can simply click on allow over here, make sure you're allowing it to record. And then you will have your microphone. You can see this is the actual camera footage, and you can choose whatever camera that you have if you have another external camera. And then you also have the microphone that you have. So you can choose any of the microphones. You can choose or connect a external microphone as well. And then you can click on advanced options and have a countdown, and you can simply click on start recording. Now then you also have other options such as if you want to record your entire screen, if you just want to record your window, if you want to record a specific Chrome tab. So this will enable you to make sure that you are only recording the information that might be necessary for your videos, and you can click on share over here. And then you can click on start recording and just click on share, and you will begin your recording. Now, I'm just going to close this for now. And now, once you have those features, you can begin recording. Now, we just downloaded the application, so you can open up the application, and we're just going to complete our installation over here. Now, you can see over here that I have installed Loom, and I'm just connecting my login over here. And we're just waiting for this login to be completed. We're just going to make sure that we are just allowing this all the permissions that it needs. And now you can click on Loom. We're just going to go on ahead, enter our Google information, and this will get you authentication for a separate device. And in this way, you can use the desktop application as well. Now, for some people, using a desktop application might just be too annoying. If you don't feel like you want to download another application for screen recording, the best part about using Loom is that they also have a simple Chrome extension. So you can see over here, if you go into your Chrome web store, you have Loom, a free screen recorder and screen capture. You can click on add to Chrome over here, click on Add Extension. In a couple of simple steps, you can go on ahead and add the extension to your Chrome bar. And once you have done that, you can actually open up a new tab, and I will just pin this extension over here. Now you can click on the Loom extension on any tab, and this will lead you to your one-click access to start recording your microphone and camera. So you're going to allow one-click access. And now you can get started with using Loom, and you can add any background, text layout, templates to get started with, and you can choose so many amazing options in Loom to get started with your video recording. And you can also choose what you want to record, if you want camera only, if you want screen only, so on and so forth. So let's say I want screen only, and then you can also add a photo over here on the bottom left of your screen for your Loom recordings, and this will enable you to create so many different kinds of videos. And you can also adjust for light, use photo for screen only, control your menu, record a countdown, and show recording times as well. And this will simplify a lot of recording processes for a lot of people, and this will really help you out in setting up simple recordings. So not only can you create complex videos with Loom for both your camera and for your screen, but you can also do a one-click access recording for a simple video. And to get started, all you have to do is click on Record a Loom, and this will open up the application now, and I can sign in with my Google account, and we're just going to verify that this is us. And currently, I don't know, the authentication link has not been confirmed, so it's not opening up the application properly, but the application is pretty much the same as the web application, and then your videos would be uploaded over here. Not only that, but if you actually take a look at your account, you can click on Upload a Video, and you can go on ahead and upload videos and begin editing them with the Loom tools. So let's say, for example, if you're even running a production company or a larger business or company, and you're someone that is only supposed to create the content and someone else edits it and so on and so forth, then you can upload the content on Loom. And let's say we're just going to browse some files. We're just going to take a couple of sample videos over here. So let's say that we just use a sample video to get started with. And we're just going to open this up and click on upload a file, and we can upload this Loom and then edit it according to a format that the rest of our videos might be in. So this will enable you to have a cohesive look for all of your images and for your videos. And this is going to be super simple to set up. It's easy, and it simplifies a lot of work for a lot of people. And just like that, you can invite as many people as you want. You also have your account and preferences where you can enter your own personal settings for your account. You can customize your notifications. You can click on Record a Video on the bottom left of your screen whenever you have opened up the Loom application. And let's say that I want to use this microphone and this camera, or let's say I only want to record the current tab. So you can choose whatever recording type that you want in a simple click. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with Loom. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.